At the end of the month, do you wonder where all your money went? Hi, my name is George Escola, and on this video, I'm going to tell you about a savings plan that will help you build real value, real wealth over time. And it's very easy to do. It's an automatic savings plan, and what happens in this plan is each month, this company called 7K Metals will send you a certified coin of silver, a 1 ounce coin that has not only intrinsic value from the silver, but it also has collector value. And in the past, these coins have been shown to appreciate versus all uh, currencies around the world. Problem with currencies, of course, is that governments keep printing more and more and more, and the currencies become worth less and less and less. From 1913 until 2013, the US dollar, for instance, lost 95% of its purchasing power. So you can see from that that if you're saving dollars in a mattress or even in a bank account that pays very little interest, you're actually losing money over time. Whereas when you save gold and silver in the form of coins, you are appreciating in value over time. And the silver, of course, holds its value over time very well. So you have two components of building wealth here. One is the intrinsic value of the metal, the precious metals that you're saving, and the other is the appreciation over time due to the collector value of these beautiful coins. Now, I'm going to leave a link below to 7K Metals, and you can check out, they have an annual membership plan, and they also have a monthly savings plan, and there's a plan that'll fit your budget. So at the end of the month, you will know that you have saved something of real value. So click the link below, take a look at the plan, pick a monthly plan and a membership plan that fits your budget, and I will see you on the inside. Thanks for watching. Bye now.